Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Agility Digest. Here on Agility Digest, I teach people how to make money through simple betting techniques, precisely arbitrage betting. So today, a lot of persons have been asking me for websites, softwares, platforms where you can find arbitrage bets. And in my last video, I brought up Oddspotter. Oddspotter is one of the finest platforms where you can get arbitrage bets for free. So today I'm also, like I said before, there are paid platforms for arbitrage betting, and there are also free ones. Last week, in my last video, I showed us the free ones where you can get arbitrage bets through Oddspotter. So today I'm going to be showing you Oddstorm. Oddstorm is a paid platform where you can get free arbitrage. You can get arbitrage bets, not for free, actually paid. So there is a video here in this thing. So I'm going to play the video, for you to also understand better what this entails. So while we are waiting for the video to open, if you've not subscribed to Agility Digest, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. And sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will understand where and how to find arbitrage bets. I've already your comments. That's why I've said, if you like, share, also drop your comments, drop your questions down the comment section. I will be responding with videos for you to also know what is going on in the world of arbitrage betting. So watch this video and then you understand better. I'm going to play both videos. Okay, so as the video is playing, this it's Oddspotter.
This is the world of Oddstorm. If you are strong-minded and persistent with desire to invest in sure profit, then welcome to the storm of odds, where money truly reigns. We scan the world of football betting and collect the best odds every second. So no matter the outcome, you win every time. A situation like this exists for a few minutes, and you have to be fast. But don't worry, we are the global fastest service, so you won't miss the opportunity for sure. We provide you with a list of sure bets and calculate the bets for you. You just need to 1. Choose your odds from our software. 2. Go on the betting screen. 3. Bet on it. That's all. This storm is getting bigger since 2006, and until now, there is one thing for sure. Once in, no one gets out of it without profit. Join us today.
Yes, that is, no one gets out of it without profit. So you've got to subscribe to Oddstorm for you to view those apps that you've been asking for. A lot of persons have been sending messages, comments, and then today I've come with Oddstorm. So we're going to watch the second video down here also for you to also understand better. So while we are waiting for it to load, if you've not subscribed to Agility Digest, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. Watch the video also as we continue with the tutorial. So this is just like showing you, walking you through how everything works here on Oddstorm. These are the same things that I'm also going to be going down now to analyze properly. Okay, seems this is not clear enough, so I would have to continue with the tutorial. So once on this platform, all you need to do is, first of all, you need to register. Once you register on Oddstorm, then you create an account. Myself, I've already registered, so you can see I've already registered, I've already logged in. So Once you register, the next thing for you to do is to let me show us pre-matches, sure bets, so that you will know what they look like. You understand? So once you register, then you'll be able to view these games. Like I said before, the previous one I showed you is the paid platform. That was Hotspot, the unpaid platform, sorry, the free platform, that was Hotspot. But today I'm coming with the paid platform for you to view. So when you register, you can see here that these games have been hidden. You can see that they have been hidden. So when you subscribe to this platform, you will be able to see these games that are hidden here now. So they change with time. They keep changing. New ones keep coming in for you to stake. Once you register on this platform, you can stake as many games as possible and win as many as possible, you understand, in a day, provided you have the time to sit behind your system, behind your laptop or your phone, Android phone, for you to be picking these games and staking them. So you can see their odds on their respective bookmakers websites. The first one is Away Handicap 2, Away Handicap 0.25. Okay, that one is out. So you keep going out and coming in, so that there are, like, for the persons who said there are no two ways arbitrage, sorry to disappoint you, there are actually two ways arbitrage. So I'm going to, so these are the medals. These are the medals for you who want to go for medals on sports arbitrage. These are the medals. So while we are waiting for the medals to load, if you've not subscribed to Agilitydigest, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. So these are the medals. These are the medals. This is what they look like. They keep going off and on, back and forth. They keep going out and coming in, refreshing new ones to come in, so that you can see what they have in stock. They have a whole lot of them. As long as you have the time and you have funds in your bet account, you can make as much as you want to make in a day. These games are guaranteed winning games. You're not going to lose your money anyway. So that's that about that. So let's look at the odds. The odds they have available, just like the odds portal that I showed us the last time. So these are the odds they have available. You understand? So you can pick from these available odds also, for the people that wants to predict the three-way arbitrage platform. So that is that. You can pick from these ones. There are still games that you can stake here and make free money without having to also subscribe to their platform. You understand? But most importantly, you have to subscribe for you to view the guaranteed winning games. So that is that about that. So for the subscription plan, this is what the prices look like. This is what the prices look like. You understand? So this is the VIP. This is what the VIP look like. This is 1 week, 1 month, and 6 months, and then 1 year subscription. So this is what the subscriptions look like. This is VIP, then this is VIP plus. You understand? So this is what they look like. You understand? So when you subscribe to any of these, you will be able to make good money. You will view those games that we are shaded now that are hidden. You will view them and bet as many as you can in a day and make as much money as you can in a day. And you won't be losing your money to sports betting any longer. So that is that about that. And one good thing here is that they also have, for the persons who were asking me for the link to the arbitrage calculator, this Oddstorm here has calculator also that you can use to calculate, before you stake your game. You understand? So you can use to calculate the stake amount before you stake your game. This is arbitrage. This is three-way arbitrage. Then this is, where is it? That's three-way arbitrage. Then this is two-way arbitrage. This is two-way arbitrage. For those who are saying there is no two-way arbitrage, so let's show the two-way arbitrage calculator now. You understand? So this is two-way arbitrage. There is two-way arbitrage. There is three-way arbitrage. Sorry, it didn't show up, but I've also shown us this thing in the other calculator also. Okay, that's it. This is two-way arbitrage. This is two-way arbitrage. This is what it looks like. So for those who are saying that there is nothing like three-way, like two-way arbitrage, you know, this is two-way arbitrage. If there is no two-way arbitrage, you cannot have it here in this reputable website, and you can also have it, you cannot also have it in the other calculator that I showed us before. So this is two-way arbitrage, you understand? So for you who have been arguing, that is it here for you to see. This is it here for you to see. So to subscribe and then to this platform, to this arbitrage betting, you know, subscription, all you have to do is register, come down to this place, and then subscribe for the VIP or VIP Plus, whichever one you want to. So if you want to subscribe, I'm going to leave a link down the description below for you. If you want to subscribe, you can use that link to subscribe and then start winning your games. You start winning your games. So that's how it works. So you subscribe. For you a lot of persons have asked me, where can we find arbitrage bets? The previous video I provided with Odds Portal, I provided how to find arbitrage bets using Odds Portal. Today I have come with how to find arbitrage bets you know, using Oddstorm paid platform. So that's that about that. So if you're visiting for the first time, kindly like Agility Digest, kindly, you know, subscribe to Agility Digest and turn on notification bell so that you get notified